Keep your hands where I can see them or you're gonna get shot. I will not give you another warning. You pull them, but...
Yeah, she's weird.
Walk towards us through the fence right here.
Fence line right here.
Walk towards us. Walk towards us through the fence. I understand that. Walk towards us through the fence. There's police officers on both sides of that garage. Come on.
Keep your hands up.
Adam 240 is at your McBride, subject to your
You want to go less lethal?
Put your hands up.
You got Taser.
We're giving you lawful commands.
We're on ED1.
Keep your hands up.
Go ahead, Alyssa.
Hands up.
Alyssa has less lethal.
Keep your hands up now.
We got commands.
We got commands.
I'll do hands when she gets it.
Walk to me. Keep walking. Listen to our command. You're about to get tased, man.
What is going on?
Walk to us now.
That's what I'm doing.
Right.
Keep walking. Walk to the sound of my voice now, man.
Come here.
You keep
Walk
on
to
messing
me.
around. Keep walking.
What do you want me to do, man?
Jones, hold on.
Shit.
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards me. You're going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why?
me.
What did I do?
Cartonio, you have warrants, okay? That's what this is about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing nothing.
Hey, motherfucker, you're about to get tased.
Tase him.
Get down there! Down there!
Keep your hands where I can see them or you're going to get shot. I will not give you another warning. You pull them, but...
On October 2nd, 2025, IMPD detectives surrounded a garage in Indianapolis where 36-year-old Cartonio McBride was hiding on multiple felony warrants. McBride initially exited with his hands up and followed commands. As detectives explained why he was being detained, he suddenly stopped cooperating. When told to turn around, McBride refused and began reaching for something. A detective deployed a taser, and another fired his service weapon as McBride ran and fell. On the ground, McBride continued reaching, leading two detectives to fire additional shots. Officers approached with a ballistic shield, took him into custody, and medics transported him to the hospital in critical condition.
You have warrants, okay? That's what this is about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing none of that, bro.
Motherfucker, you're about to get tased.
Down there! Down there!
Keep your hands where I can see them or you're going to get shot. I will not give you